TikTok direct message option not showing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where the direct message option isn't showing on TikTok. If you've been unable to send DMs, stick around and learn how to fix it. First things first, open TikTok and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines and simply go to settings and privacy. This is where you can manage who can send you messages and interact with you on TikTok. Now simply go to privacy and here you can see an option called direct messages. Now if it is set to no one or friends, that might be the reason the option isn't showing up for some users. Now make sure to select everyone or friends if you want to allow people to message you. If it's set to friends, only people who follow you back can send DMs. Now, another important thing to check is your account's age. Is TikTok has certain restrictions on messaging. If your account is set to under 16, you might not be able to send or receive DMs unless it's with friends. Now, if your account is set to a younger age, consider adjusting it if necessary. Now, if your settings are correct and you're still having issues, it could be a problem with the app version. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check if there's an update for TikTok. Simply search for TikTok. Now, if there's an update available, simply update it. And that's it. Hopefully, one of this step help you get your direct messages working